Single dad gives billionaire's disabled daughter a miracle, mom breaks down in tears. The morning Daniel Harper met the girl, he was already exhausted in the way only single parents understand, the kind of tired that settles into the bones and never fully leaves. He'd been up since dawn, packing his 8-year-old son's lunch, tying a crooked shoelace, pretending everything was fine even though the electricity bill sat unpaid on the counter. Daniel worked as a janitor and part-time mechanic at a modest auto repair shop on the edge of town, the kind of place people only noticed when something broke. He didn't complain. Complaining didn't fix cars or raise kids. That morning, as he rolled open the garage doors, a white luxury SUV glided in, spotless, silent, and wildly out of place. From it stepped a woman dressed with quiet elegance, wealth stitched into every detail, though her eyes told a different story: fear, desperation, the kind money can't erase. Beside her was a teenage girl, pale but determined, her legs supported by medical braces, each step careful, deliberate, painful. Daniel noticed immediately, not with pity, but recognition. His late wife had walked that way during her final year, refusing help even when it hurt. The woman introduced herself politely, her voice trembling as she explained that her daughter, Lily, had been in an accident years ago, multiple surgeries, endless specialists, and still she struggled to walk unaided. The doctors had done all they could, they said. Daniel wasn't a doctor, wasn't rich, wasn't anyone special, just a dad who fixed things and figured life out one problem at a time. But when Lily looked at him with quiet hope and asked if he could help adjust her braces so they wouldn't hurt so much, he didn't hesitate. Over the next weeks, without charging a cent, Daniel stayed late after work, carefully modifying the braces, adjusting angles, redistributing pressure, using scrap materials and his own understanding of mechanics and balance. He studied Lily's movements the way he studied broken engines, patient, focused, refusing to give up when something didn't work. Every small improvement felt like a victory. Lily began walking a little farther, standing a little straighter, smiling a little brighter. Her mother watched from a distance at first, guarded, skeptical, until one afternoon she saw her daughter take several unassisted steps, tears streaming down her face before she even realized she was crying. She offered Daniel money, more than he'd ever seen in his life, but he refused gently, explaining that helping Lily reminded him of why he taught his son never to quit. Word spread quietly, not through headlines or social media, but through gratitude. One day, Lily arrived without her wheelchair. Another day, she walked into the shop alone. And then came the moment no one expected. Standing in front of the garage, Lily took off the braces entirely and walked, slowly, imperfectly, but on her own, straight into her mother's arms. The woman collapsed into tears, shaking, thanking Daniel again and again, her billionaire status meaningless in that moment. She later offered to fund his son's education, to change his life forever, but Daniel smiled and said the miracle had already happened. That night, Daniel tucked his son into bed and told him that real strength isn't about money or power, but about showing up when someone needs you. And if this story touched your heart even a little, if you believe kindness still changes lives, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because stories like this remind us that miracles don't always come from the rich or famous, but from ordinary people who refuse to give up.